I'm Janice Stewart. I'm one of the owners of Castle Keepers. We're a professional residential cleaning company, and we use our ProTeam backpack vacuums, and they're very useful. It helps us be efficient while we're cleaning and vacuuming. 4 levels of filtration. You'll have to take my word for it, but the 4th level is here. It's like the exhaust filtration. And then we have the dome filter that sits right on top of the exhaust filtration, which is enclosed inside the bottom, as I mentioned. So this goes right, snaps right on top of that, as you can see. So that the second level of filtration is this cute little bag, which is microcloth filter on the outside and inside, and it's padded, and it has a nice gasket here to keep all the dirt inside. And that's cleaned regularly too. And then the first level is our this is a microfiller bag. It has, again, a rubber gasket. It fits right in here. Intercept microfilter, as the name on the bag says. And you snap that on. Carpet and Rug Institute research shows that the ProTeam vacuum, they use 5 passes as their standard, and in 5 passes of the vacuum, it is 43 more efficient than a commercial upright vacuum and 30% more efficient than a canister vacuum in removing soil. And it also has a head that doesn't stir up a lot of dust while you're vacuuming, so more dust gets pulled into the vacuum. And it does clear out 99.9% of the dirt that we vacuum up stays in the canister because of this filtration system, and that means that less dirt is getting shot back out the back, and it means a cleaner air quality in your home. I have the backpack vacuum on, and the 2 things I like best about this backpack vacuum are you can choose how long your cord is, and we've chosen a cord that allows us to vacuum 1,000 square feet without having to plug in and unplug several different times while we're cleaning that area. The second thing I like about the backpack vacuum is that it sits on your hips, so you don't have to be worried if you have your back problems, and I have had my share of back problems. It sits on your hips and it really does not bother your back at all, and you have a lot of good range of motion while you're working. This is the carpet head here, and you just, here we go, get it moving. My on button's right here within easy reach. You can cover a lot of area very quickly. Also, the vacuum head has a universal head on it, so you can get pretty low. Even with the backpack on your back, you can get pretty low under lots of different types of furniture. Has about a 3-inch clearance. It's a wonderful machine to do large areas and small areas, and that's why we chose it, not to mention the filtration system, which keeps everything clean and ultimately makes our job easier, both from a mechanical standpoint and doing the physical work, and also in removing the dirt so that the next time we come there's not as much. I'm Janice Stewart. I'm one of the owners of Castle Keepers. We're a professional residential cleaning company, and we use our ProTeam backpack vacuums, and they're very useful. It helps us be efficient while we're cleaning and vacuuming. 4 levels of filtration. You'll have to take my word for it, but the 4th level is here. It's like the exhaust filtration. And then we have, I'm Janice Stewart. I'm one of the owners of Castle Keepers. We're a professional residential cleaning company, and we use our ProTeam backpack vacuums, and they're very useful. It helps us be efficient while we're cleaning and vacuuming. 4 levels of filtration. You'll have to take my word for it, but the 4th level is here. It's like the exhaust filtration. And then we have the dome filter that